As we enter 2025, UX UI trends keep changing, sometimes with small updates and occasionally with something completely new. This year we are approaching things a bit differently, exploring the top design trends from both UX and UI perspective. Whether you are a designer, developer, or a design enthusiast, this video has something for you. Let's dive in. Trend 1. Natural interactions. Modern devices are bringing in features like voice control, fingerprint login, facial recognition, and even eye tracking. These aren't just futuristic, they are becoming the norm, making interactions intuitive and secure. For example, Huawei lets you copy and paste across devices seamlessly, while gesture-based control lets you navigate without even touching the screen. What's even more exciting is the focus on inclusivity. Companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft are leading with tools like VoiceOver, TalkBack, and eye control, while designed for people with disabilities. These features benefits everyone. Think larger text, simple navigation, and voice command that make tech accessible for older users and others. This trend is all about universal usability. Designers are testing with diverse users, following accessibility guidelines and ensuring no one is left behind. It's not just about cutting-edge tech, it's about making technology work for everyone. Next up is immersive 3D design. 3D elements are everywhere, whether it's realistic product mockups that showcase items in lifelike details or 3D icons and illustrations that add depth and style to interface. These elements not only grab attention but also make design feel more interactive and engaging. For example, e-commerce platforms often use 3D products renders to give users a better sense of what they are buying. Similarly, 3D icons and graphics bring a fresh and dynamic feel to apps and websites, making them more visually appealing. This trend is about more than just aesthetic. It's about enhancing the user experience and creating visuals that truly stand out. Sustainable design practices. In 2025, sustainability is at the core of UI and UX design. It's about creating digital experiences that not only look great but are also mindful of their environmental impact. Energy-smart designs are leading the way, with apps and websites becoming lighter and faster, consuming less power while delivering seamless user experience. Clean, minimal interfaces are making a strong comeback. These designs aren't just visually appealing, they are efficient. By reducing unnecessary data and simplifying visuals, we are speeding up load time and cutting down on energy consumption. Dark mode, meanwhile, continues to shine as a practical and aesthetic choice. It's not just about saving battery life on OLED screen, it's also about giving user options that suit their environment, whether they are working late at night or under bright sunlight. Behind the scenes, designers are focusing on eco-friendly development practices like optimizing code and assets to reduce digital waste. And it's not just about technology, it's about people. Accessibility and inclusivity are integral, ensuring designs cater to diverse needs while remaining efficient. Number 4. Glassmorphism, or the frosted glass effect. It's not a new trend, but it continues to dominate modern UI design. This style mimics the translucent look of glass, adding depth with soft shadows, blurred background, and light highlights. It's elegant, clean, and still widely appreciated by designers and users alike. Major brands like Microsoft integrate glassmorphism into their interfaces, such as Windows, giving their design a sleek and modern feel. Platforms like Copilot also showcase how this effect enhances user engagement by balancing functionality with aesthetic. Alongside this, we are seeing a subtle comeback of skeuomorphism in some designs by reintroducing realistic textures, shadows, and tactile elements. Designers aim to create more familiar and visually engaging interfaces, particularly in areas like dashboard or mobile apps. Emotionally intelligent design. Emotionally intelligent design focuses on creating meaningful experiences that connect with users on a personal level. It goes beyond functionality by acknowledging users' emotions and needs, making technology feel more human and supportive. Emotionally intelligent design include friendly microcopy like thank you messages or motivational prompts which help users feel valued and positive. Gamification is another key feature, rewarding users for milestone and achievement to keep them engaged and motivated. Visual elements also play a big role. Calming colors palette, gentle animations, and customization options make interaction feel personal and comforting. Empathetic feedback such as progress indicator or supportive error messages reassure users and reduce frustration. This approach ensures that technology not only help users achieve their goals but also leave them feeling emotionally connected and enriched. Light effects and glowing elements have become increasingly popular in UI design, especially on dark surfaces. These design trends leverage visual effects like glow and light rays to create a futuristic and immersive feel. Whether it's glowing buttons, illuminated card borders, or subtle light reflection, these elements can add depth and focus to the interface. The glow effect is commonly used to highlight key components such as call to action buttons or important cards, making them stand out in a visually striking manner. Light rays or subtle beam of illumination enhance the overall composition by drawing attention to specific areas and adding a sense of dynamism. By using these glowing effects thoughtfully, designers can enhance user engagement while maintaining a modern and professional aesthetic. Next, AI-enhanced UX UI is changing how we design and interact with digital experiences. AI is now commonly used to create images, graphics, and videos, which make design more visually appealing. Companies are also introducing AI tools to take things further. For example, tools like Motif, which I have reviewed in a video, can generate complete UI designs such as mobile app screens and much more, quickly and efficiently. AI also makes the design process easier by creating text-based content for interfaces. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI systems can write user-focused copy, description, and prompts, saving time and effort. Beyond design, AI is also being integrated into apps to perform tasks and assist users through text or voice commands, making daily interactions smoother and more intuitive. By combining AI with UX UI, we can speed up the creative process and build smarter, more user-friendly interfaces. This trend is shaping the future of design and making it easier to create intelligent and engaging digital experiences. Next, animated visual elements are an essential aspect of modern UX UI design, adding motion and energy to interfaces. These animations, from loading screens to transitions, create engaging experiences. They draw user in and make navigation more intuitive. By incorporating motion, designers can emphasize key content, highlight features, and guide users through the interface effortlessly. Animation also enhances storytelling by adding depth and emotion to design. Elements like animated charts, progress bars, and transitions transform static visuals into dynamic interactions, keeping users' attention while elevating their experience. When thoughtfully applied, animated visual elements not only make design more visually appealing but also reinforce a brand identity and leave a lasting impression on users. Mobile or mobile-first design is a fundamental approach in modern UX/UI development, emphasizing the creation of seamless experiences for mobile users as a priority. As of October 2024, approximately 60.4% of global web traffic originates from mobile devices, underscoring the necessity for designs that cater to smaller screens and touch interfaces. This strategy involves prioritizing essential content and functionalities, ensuring they are easily accessible and user-friendly on mobile devices. By focusing on mobile first, designers can create responsive layout that adapt gracefully to larger screen, providing a consistent user experience across all devices. In addition to web design, the widespread adoption of smartphones has led business to invest heavily in mobile applications. Mobile apps are expected to generate over $935 billion globally, highlighting their critical role in driving business growth. By adopting a mobile-first mindset, designers and businesses can meet the evolving needs of users, delivering intuitive and efficient experiences that align with the increasing reliance on mobile technology in daily life. Next up is modern grayscapes. Modern grayscapes are all about using shades of gray in both UI elements and backgrounds, offering a fresh, futuristic, and minimalist aesthetic. Designers leverage gray as a neutral base, creating a clean and balanced visual experience. When paired with bright, vibrant color as accent, it adds a striking contrast, making key elements pop while maintaining a sleek and professional look. This is one of my favorite design trends nowadays because it looks unique and helps users focus on the content without overwhelming them. It works perfectly for apps, dashboard, and other modern designs. Micro interactions get smarter. Micro interactions are the small animations or feedbacks that guide user and make interfaces feel alive. From a button lighting up to a slight vibration on an error, these tiny details enhance usability and engagement. With smarter technology, micro interactions now adapt to user behavior,